Okay, so now we're going to get into it, guys. The slow rock strum. Okay, this strum is takes a little bit more learning than the first one, the rock strum that we did. It's a slow rock strum. There's a little bit more going on in it, and it can feel kind of counterintuitive. I'm going to play you it now with a few chords. Then I'm going to play you it without the chords, and then teach you how to do that. Okay? Okay, so it suits sort of ballad feels quite a lot. So a lot of times when you hear the drum beat, you'll hear this doom ta doom ta doom ta doom doom ta doom, that sort of thing. You'll hear it's a lot more laid back, but there's still lots going on in there. It's still busy. It's not just a slow version of the rock strum. There's a lot more going on in it. So it's doo ta doo ta doo. You can hear that strum and that working together with the drums. So let's have a listen to that just with the strumming part of itself. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a down, a miss of a downstroke, then a down, down, up. I'll play it to you a few times and then I'll explain it and break it down for you. Okay, I played a few in a row there. Let me break it right down and you can have a go at that. So grab your guitar, make sure you're playing along with me, fingers over the strings just so we can expose the rhythm itself, just concentrating on the right arm. Good picking technique, remember, just check that out. Nice and relaxed. We're going to do a strong downbeat. Down. Okay. Next step, real easy. However, it can be quite confusing, this bit, so just watch carefully. Down, and we're going to miss the strings. That seems really weird. The downstroke, the next downstroke I did, missed the strings completely. That feels really, really hard to do. And people go, well, why am I missing? What's the point? Why don't I just not play and just wait for the next strum? It's kind of acts as a spacer. Down, it's a spacer. It's a little wee spacer that leaves a perfect amount of space between the strums, which makes it a perfect sounding strumming pattern. Down, miss, down, down, up. Now that miss, I want you to deliberately strum a full swinging strum there. I don't want you to go, just acknowledge a little, or just a little bounce. At this stage anyway, I want you to do a complete strum. Strum, complete strum, strum, okay? Do that with me. We're going to strum a downstroke, then we're going to do one with missing the strings, then another downstroke like this. Down, miss, down, and down, miss, down. Join me now. Down, miss, down, and down, miss, down, and again, down, miss, down. Now what I'd recommend at this stage is to actually just spend maybe 30 seconds by yourself just doing down, miss, down. It may seem tedious, but it'll help for the next part of this video. Just do that now. Okay, now we're ready for the next part of this. So we've done down, miss, down. The next step is to add another down. So we're simply going to go down, miss, down, down. And again, down, miss, down, down. Have a break, down, miss, down, down. That's the next step. If you're finding that quite difficult, once again, pause for a little bit, have a go at that for about 30 seconds to a minute or so, and rejoin us. Okay, for those of you just rejoining us again, recap on that. Down, miss, down, down. Next step is an upstroke, and it's straight after the last down we did. So the last down we did was down, we're going to come straight up. So it'll go down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I don't want you to go down, pause, up. I want it to be down, up, straight away. Normal radius, down, up. Let's put that into context now. Down, miss, down, down, up. You can hear the rhythm now. I'll do it again. Down, miss, down, down, up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this at nice slow tempo. I want you to follow along with me and keep up with the tempo. If you're finding that you're getting ahead or getting behind, you're not counting with the rhythm with the tick-tocks. The tick-tock has to be continuous. If you stop at the bottom or stop at the top, you're going to find that rhythm will disappear and you'll be out of time with me or out of time with the drums or the backing track. You might have even come across this before and wondered what was going on. So let's have a go at that now. I'm going to count it in and then I'm going to play it with you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, miss, down, down, up. Have a break. 2, 3, and down, miss, down, down, up. Have a break. Here we go. And down, miss, down, down, up. Another break. 2, 3, 4. Down, miss, down, down, up. Now we're going to do 2 in a row without stopping. Here we go. Down, miss, down, down, up. 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 Okay, you might have noticed when I did that, that might be quite tricky for you to do, to join 2 together, because the brain wants to jump in and take over. It wants to think about how this is going to work. It wants to be in charge. So you'll find that a lot of times that won't happen for you, the continuous joining of 2 patterns. So maybe what you want to do at this stage then is just to do down, miss, down, down, up. And then as quickly as you can start the next one. Down, miss, down, down, up. And down, miss, down, down, up. And then make that gap between the 2 strumming patterns smaller. Down, miss, down, down, up. Down, miss, down, down, up. Down, miss, down, down, up. Now you notice I'm exaggerating the first part of that strumming pattern. Down, miss, down, down, up. I'm making that deliberately strong, the beginning of the strumming pattern, and that sounds great when we're strumming a chord as well. Okay, it sounds really good. It gives some dynamics to what we're doing. That's a cool thing to do too. It lets your mind know, or your brain know, exactly where the beginning of that strumming pattern begins and exactly where it ends. It has a form to it.